Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshit. Dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 5. And our today's topic is SQ, that means the short question, and the CBQ, that means the competency based question answer from chapter 9 and 10. We have done few short question answer from chapter 9 and 10. Today we will do some more short question answer and competency based question answer from chapter 9. So let's start the class. So dear students, now look, at first we will start with the competency based question answer from chapter 9, and we have done it before. Now look, question number 1, tell a friend how to stay safe around the home. And we all know the ways how to stay safe around the home. We will be careful when you use the electronics and when we use the knives or scissors, or when we go near the fire. So let's read the answer. There are lots of ways to avoid accidents at home. My advice to a friend about how to stay safe around the home is as follows. Now look, be careful with knives and scissors. Number 2, don't touch electric wires with wet hands or bare feet. Number 3, label medicine and pesticides so they don't get taken by mistake. Number 4, switch off the gas stove and electricity after use. Number 5, be careful with fire. Number 6, have a first aid box at home. Number 7, don't open the door to strangers. So these are the points you should know how to stay safe around the home. And now number 2, now look, both of Ronnie's parents are service holders. So Ronnie has to stay home alone for some time. What precautions should Ronnie take to keep himself safe? Now look, my dear students, all of you pay attention. Question number 1 and 2 almost same. That means the answer of these two questions are almost same, but we will change the answer of question number 2 a little bit. Now look, children like Ronnie should be very careful when they are alone at home. The following things should be kept in mind, and what are they? Number 1, to have a first aid box at home, and this is the precautions we should follow, because whenever if you need a primary treatment, we need this first aid box to give the treatment to the injured person. Number 2, turning off gas and electricity after use. Number 3, not to open the door to strangers. Number 4, to be careful with fire. And number 5, to tell parents immediately if there's any problem. So dear students, now look, almost the answer of these two questions are almost same. So when you will get this type of answer, you will just change a little bit, and you can write down the answer of your own. Now question number 3, what ways would you follow to stay safe outdoors? And we all know that we will not play near the traffic, or we will be careful when we play near the water. Actually we shouldn't play near the water, but if we need to go near the water, we will be careful, and whenever we cross the road, we will be more careful. So the answer is, the things I would follow to stay safe outdoors are: number 1, being careful when playing near water. Number 2, being careful if climbing on trees or walls. Number 3, not playing near traffic. Number 4, being careful while crossing the road. So these are the ways we should follow to stay safe outdoors. And number 3 will be your homework, dear students. Now short question and answer from chapter 9. Number 1, what do you have towards society and state? What do you have? Yes, we have duties and responsibilities which we should perform. So the answer is, we have various duties and responsibilities towards society and state. Number 2, at which age citizens can cast vote in our country? Yes, when a person is adult, that means when a person reaches 18, he or she can cast vote. So the answer is at the age of 18, citizens can cast vote in our country. Number 3, what things are there in our first aid box? And what things are there? Yes, we all know that there will be antiseptics, cream, bandage, tape, scissors, etc. So there are antiseptics, bandage, tape, cotton wool, thermometer, scissors, etc. in our first aid box. Now number 4, what should be our priority while walking on the road? And what should be our priority? Yes, safety. So safety is at first. So answer is safety should be our priority while walking on the road. Now next question, number 5. What should we expect if we disobey law? What should we expect if we do not follow the law? What will be happen? Yes, we will get some sort of punishment. So the answer is we should expect punishment if we disobey law. Number 6. What types of responsibility is receiving education? So what type of responsibility? Yes, it is a responsibility to the state. So the answer is receiving education is a duty and responsibility to the state. And number 7 is what shall we do with the older people? What will you do? Yes, we all know that we will help them if they need any help, and of course we will respect them, and the answer is we will respect them and help them if they need any. So there are 7 short question answer from this chapter, and we have done some more question answer from this chapter before. Now chapter 10, and there are 6 short question and answer. Number 1, for what the people of Bangladesh struggle for a long time? Yes, we struggle for democracy, to gain our democracy, and the answer is the people of Bangladesh struggled for a long time for achieving democracy. Now number 2, where should we follow the democratic attitude? Where should we follow? Only at school or at home? No, we should follow democracy everywhere. So the answer is we should follow the democratic attitude in every sphere of life, such as at home, school, playground, workplace, etc. So every sphere of our life we will follow democratic attitude. Number 3, what should we do while taking any decision at home? What should we do? We will consult with the every members of the family, and we will take their opinion. So our answer is we should take everyone's opinion while taking any decision at home. Now number 4, who would be chosen as class captain after an election? Who will be chosen as class captain? Yes, we know that the student or the person who get the highest vote will be chosen the class captain, and the answer is the student with the highest vote would be chosen as class captain. Now number 5, how should be our behavior to other people's views? How should be our behavior? Should we get angry? No, we will be patient and we will be tolerant to them. So the answer will be we should be tolerant to other people's views. Now number 6, in which places do we have to follow democratic attitude? In which places? Yes, in every sphere of life we have to follow democratic attitude. That means in everywhere we will follow the democratic attitude. So there are 6 more questions from chapter 10, and we have done few more short question answer from this chapter in our previous classes. So dear students, today we have discussed few short question answer from chapter 9 and 10 and competency based question answer from chapter 9. And my dear students, there is a homework number 12 and you will do CBQ number 3, competency based question number 3 from chapter 9. That means what ways should you follow to stay safe outdoors? I repeat, number 3 competency based question answer will be your homework, and the question is what ways should you follow to stay safe outdoors? So there are 4 points. You can follow this sample question answer or you can make the answer by yourself. So dear students, That's all for today. I hope you have understood about today's topic. Dear students, all of you will do your homework regularly and you will submit it on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library. Your SBA, city and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. So, submitting homework copy is very important. And dear students, all of you will study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.